Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to change your Shopify store name and the URL. Let's get started. First, go to shopify.com, then click Login up here. Enter in your email in this field, and you can also log in using your Apple ID, Facebook, or Google. This action will redirect you to your dashboard. In here, click on Settings down here, then click General. Under the store details, click on this pencil icon next to My Store. This pop-up will appear where you can edit your store name to your preference. After that, just click on Save down here. Next, on the left panel, click on Domains right here and click on this highlighted text. And this pop-up will appear where you can edit your URL. In this field, type in your preferred store URL, then click on Add Domain right here. It's important to be reminded that you can only change your store's URL once. And that is how you can change your Shopify store name and URL. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.